The liver is the largest visceral organ and gland in the human body, weighing approximately 1.2 to 1.5 kilograms in adults. It resides in the right hypochondriac and epigastric regions, beneath the diaphragm, and is protected by the thoracic cage. It consists of two primary lobes, right and left, and is histologically composed of lobules, the functional units of the liver. Each hepatic lobule is a hexagonal arrangement of hepatocytes, the parenchymal cells of the liver, radiating around a central vein. Blood flows through hepatic sinusoids, lined with Kupffer cells, specialized macrophages, facilitating the removal of pathogens and debris. The liver's role in maintaining homeostasis is exceptional. Let's explore its major physiological functions. Carbohydrate metabolism. It converts excess glucose into glycogen for storage and releases glucose as needed to maintain blood sugar levels. It maintains blood glucose levels via glycogenesis, glycogenolysis, and gluconeogenesis. Lipid metabolism. The liver synthesizes triglycerides, cholesterol, and lipoproteins, and facilitates beta-oxidation of fatty acids. Protein metabolism. It deaminates amino acids, forms urea for nitrogen excretion, and synthesizes plasma proteins like albumin, fibrinogen, and clotting factors. The liver detoxifies xenobiotics, drugs, and endogenous metabolites through phase 1 and phase 2 biotransformation reactions, primarily involving the cytochrome P450 enzyme system. Hepatocytes secrete bile, composed of bile salts, bilirubin, cholesterol, and electrolytes. Bile is essential for the emulsification and absorption of dietary lipids in the small intestine. Due to imbalance in bile composition, gallbladder stones or gallstones are formed. Gallbladder stones, also known as gallstones, are solid particles that form in the gallbladder, a small organ located beneath the liver that stores and concentrates bile. Bile is a digestive fluid composed of water, bile salts, cholesterol, bilirubin, and other substances. Gallstones mainly form when there is an imbalance in the bile. The liver secretes cholesterol into bile. Normally, bile salts and lecithin dissolve this cholesterol. But if the bile contains too much cholesterol and not enough bile salts, the cholesterol may crystallize and form stones. Gallbladder stone can also be produced if the liver produces too much bilirubin. It is called pigment stones. Bilirubin is a substance produced from the breakdown of red blood cells. The gallbladder must regularly contract to empty bile into the small intestine. If it doesn't empty completely or often enough, the bile becomes concentrated and stagnant. Stagnant bile promotes the formation of crystals, which can grow into stones. Gallstones form due to a combination of chemical imbalances in bile, poor gallbladder emptying, and other risk factors. Maintaining a healthy weight, balanced diet, and active lifestyle can reduce the risk of gallstone formation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Science Animations for more insightful content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep exploring, stay curious.